Hello children, once again I am from Roshan Academy and I am your social teacher here with the paper analysis of CBSE Standard 10 2020-21. Just like last year, we have the same marks here, that is total marks will be 80, and questions that you are having to answer here is 32 questions within the time limit of 3 hours. Okay, but the slight difference that you have here compared to last year is last year we had 35 questions and this year we are having 32 questions. Now let's move to the subsections here. It has been subdivided into 5 sections: A, B, C, D, E. A section is having 16 questions, question number 1 to 16, each carrying 1 mark. So that means total 16 questions belong to section A, and what you can see in the paper is an OR option coming for 4 questions. Okay, that means out of 16 questions, any 4 questions are having an OR option, but then in the instructions nothing is written related to the options, whereas if you see the maths paper, it's very clearly written there, that is how many options are there. Now let's move to section B. Section B covers question 17 to 22. Here we have 3 marks question. Total 6 questions means 18 marks question come to this criteria, that is B section. Now here they have given the word limit of 80. So you should stick to that 80 words word limit and don't cross beyond that, and that is one way good. It will help you to keep on reminding that you don't have to write much beyond that, or you'll not be confused that how much we are supposed to write. They have clearly mentioned that. Again we can see that out of the 6 question there is an OR option for the 2 questions. Now C criteria is having question 23 to 26, 4 marks question, 4 questions, 4 marks. That means total 16 marks fall under this bag of questions. Now they are source based question. Now what are the source based question? Children, it's very simple. Main source for you people to study social studies is your social textbook. So these are textual based question. You can have a paragraph or an extract, whatever coming from the textbook. If you have read your textbook lessons very well, you can crack this question very easily. Now next is section D, and it covers question 27 to 31, 5 marks question, and they are the most lengthiest and time consuming questions. So 5 into 5 will be 25 marks coming under this section, and the word limit is given 120. So don't go beyond that and waste your time, then later on you'll not get time to complete the map question. Okay, now here also you'll be having an OR option coming under any of the 3 questions out of this 5 question. That is what you see in the sample paper. Now next let's move to the E section. E section is a map section, and here you have only 1 question, that is question number 32, which has been subdivided into 2 sections, history part and geography part. History is covering 2 marks question, it's a map question, and again geography is also covering a map question, that is of 3 marks. So the question number 32 is a map question which has been subdivided into 2 parts, question 32.1 and 32.2, history geography. Now let us see the type of questions that are coming under all these sections. So first is A section. A section is having different types of question coming, and they are all objective type of question, and even if it is an answer or something, it's very short, you don't take much time to write. So they are having MCQ question, fill in the blanks, identify type of question, define something that they have given there, then question answer type of question, data based, or you can say a table based question where a table is given and you have to write the answers related to that, then passage based question, assertion and reasoning type. Now here I would like to mention one thing that I have analyzed is MCQ, fill in the blanks, identify, define, or a question answer type are all very easy. If you are done with your textbook concepts, you just have to vomit it out there, that's all. But now data based question, passage based question and assertion, you have to read, and for reading you will waste your time. So these are little bit time consuming question. Remember that, children. Now question B is question answer type, and it can even have this suggestive measure type. Means if you are there, what you will suggest, or what measures you have learnt in your textbook that you can suggest here, like that. And there are some personal opinion questions also which are related to your lesson. Now section C is having again passage type question, 4 questions, and 4 questions, each question having 4 MCQ question. Now wherever you see this passage type of question, you have to read that if it is from the textbook or it is from some other place, it's seen question or it's an unseen question, whatever, then you are wasting time there for reading the question. So what you should do is you should read it very fast and then come to the answering part. Now D is a long answer type question. This is also a little bit tedious thing. You have to keep on writing and it takes more time. Okay, so don't waste too much of time in question number, say questions from section A, section B and all. So if it is a 3-mark question and 80 word limit has already crossed, so keep on writing the answers at home, children, so that you understand 80 marks means how many lines you have to write, or say 120 marks means how many lines you have to write. So what you should do is you should filter your answers, write it in points, and then you should highlight the points so that you can understand that okay, 120 means these many lines or 80 means these many lines. That is one way to understand how many words you have written, and it's over. So you should stop there. Okay. Now E criteria, you are having questions under 32.1 and 32.2 are for, that is what I have written here, is questions under 32.1 and 32.2 are for visually impaired candidates in lieu. That is what, I'll tell you. You have to go to question number 32, answer the map related question, do whatever plotting work has been given or labeling work has been given, and then you will see under that there is again a question. But there it is very clearly written in bold that these are the question for visually impaired students, and there's a word coming there in lieu. So it can happen that children don't understand what is the meaning of this word. So it means instead of. Okay, so instead of this question that is there up, you have, those people have to write the question that is given down. That is, the visually impaired people are going to answer the question that has come after the map question. Okay, so that is the thing that I wanted to explain. It's clearly written in the sample paper that they have given. So this was about the analysis of the social studies paper that has come up for this year. Now let us see one more thing that I wanted to tell you. Children, I think last paper, that is maths analysis, when I had done, I had already told you about what will be the next videos coming up. So I just told you that I'll be starting a revision series. So there will be a revision series of case study related to maths question paper, the latest thing that has come up in the maths question paper, and children exactly don't have any idea about what are these case study questions, or if a case study question is given, how can you apply it to maths that you have learned maths concepts. Okay, so I'll be preparing a short video on case study question, and it will be a question that I'll be putting forward. You have to try it, and then later on I'll be giving you the answer in some other video. Okay, because if I give you everything ready made, you will never be able to analyze the things that are going around you and apply it to the study material that you have done. Okay, so once I give you questions, you will come to know that okay, this is, even we can think about this question in this way, and you may try to increase your network related to analyzing things related to the day-to-day life and all that. So we'll keep on analyzing. So that video is also going to come up, children. Thank you. So please subscribe and like, and just let me know what other things you need to know from me.